Hi friends, here in this video we are going to know the projections of plane surface. The problem is on hexagonal lamina. Let us read the problem. A hexagonal lamina of sides 25 mm rests on one of its corner on HP. The lamina makes 45 degree to HP and the diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Draw its projections. Okay, this is the given problem. Let's start to find out the details of first portion, second portion and third portion. Okay, for first portion we need to identify plane of projection and how does it rest on that plane. Okay, a hexagonal lamina of side 25. Okay, the length of side of the hexagonal lamina is 25. Rest on one of its corner on HP. The plane of projection is HP. Okay, directly given, and rest on one of its corner. Rest of one of its corner on HP means resting on corner. Okay, these are these two details of the first portion. Second portion, the lamina makes 45 degree to HP, or surface of the lamina makes 45 degree to HP. Okay, that is surface of that is theta is given 45 degree. For third portion, the diagonal passes through the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Okay, first I will write it what is given. Okay, diagonal. Diagonal is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Okay, diagonal is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Okay, these are the given data. Okay, see next, first draw the thin horizontal line. Name it as X, Y. Above the XY line vertical plane, below the XY line horizontal plane. Okay, the hexagonal lamina I want to draw like this. Resting on corner. Okay, see in this hexagon we identify the either horizontal line or vertical line. Okay, here horizontal line is there. Draw the horizontal diameter. Okay, first draw the circle of radius 25 mm, that is equal to length of the side of the hexagon. Draw the circle of radius 25. Now here in this diagram horizontal line is there, and draw horizontal diameter. Okay, now construct the hexagon. Here. How to construct? See, for this, okay, take 25 mm here. From this 25, okay, 25 mm length of the side is 25. Okay, from this point you cut above or below of the, draw the arc, and from this point also draw the arc above as well as below, which cut the circle. By connecting these points we will get the hexagon resting on corner. This is the hexagon. It's just I erase this circle and some extra lines also I will erase. See, this is the, I will erase this also. Okay, this is the resting on corner. Okay, my left side I am taking as a resting corner. Here there are two corners are there. I am taking my left side. This is the resting corner. I will give name of the all the vertices as A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, this is the, it represents the top view. By projecting all the points of the top view upward to meet the XY line, we will get the front view on the XY line. By joining these points we will obtain front view on the XY line. Okay, see, by observing here, okay, I will mark the point of the front view. A is visible, A dash, B is visible, F coincide with B within bracket F dash, B dash bracket F dash, then C is visible, E coincide with C within bracket E dash, D dash we can directly visible. Okay, this is the first portion. These two are the first set of views. Okay, for second portion directly given theta, surface of the lamina is inclined 45 degree. Okay, here first I will mark resting point. Which is resting point here? A dash. Mark it here. A dash is the resting point. Measure 45 degree. 45 degree above the XY line. Measure 45 degree. 45 degree above the XY line here. Measure. Okay. Now redraw this front view on this 45 degree line. Measuring this length. This name of the point as B dash bracket F dash. This point name is as name is C dash bracket, and this point is D dash. Just I will erase extra point. Okay. Now I want to draw the top view by projecting all the points of the previous top view horizontally and projecting all the points of the front view vertically downward. Horizontal projector and vertical projectors are intersecting. Mark intersection point. By joining those we will get the top view. Okay. See horizontal line. Okay, first I draw all the horizontal lines from the previous top view. Okay, on this line, on this horizontal line, F and E are there. Where is F? F point is here. F. Okay, then E. This point is E. Okay, on this horizontal line, A and D, 2 points are there. A and D. A horizontal line, A vertical line. This point is A. Then D vertical line. This point is D. Then B and C. Draw the horizontal line from B and C. Both points are on same origin. Okay, B vertical line. This point is B, and C vertical. This point is C. Join all the points. This is the top view, and front view also I want to make it dark. This angle is given 45 degree. Okay, these are the second set of views. I want to draw the third set of views. Okay, here what is the given? The diagonal is inclined. Okay, see diagonal. Okay, diagonal is in which diagonal is inclined? That is given. The diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests is inclined. Means the diagonal passes through the corner on which. See, for example, if I consider this, draw the diagonal here. This diagonal. The diagonal passing through the corner A on which the lamina rests, that is nothing but this corner. Okay, here also the diagonal is this diagonal A to D. Okay, see, first we need to find out the given angle is true angle or apparent angle. Okay, see, already I told you very simple here in this table. Okay, we have to check the for third position what are the data given. resting edge is given, resting edge is inclined, is given or not, check it. It is not given. Okay, next come to, if it is hexagonal, diagonal is inclined. Okay, if diagonal is inclined, along with, in the problem appear word is there, that is apparent angle is given. Along with this diagonal there is no appear word, that is true angle is given. Okay, next then diagonal with appear apparent angle, diagonal without appear, that is a true angle, that is phi is given. Then you have to find out beta value. Okay, next see, by rotating the second position of the top view, we will obtain the third position of the top view. Correct? Okay. See, in this top view, 6 sides are there and one diagonal is there. Problem. Okay. Okay. Which one is with the okay. First, whatever is given, first I will draw 30 degree to VP. First, I take the anywhere here, mark the point on the XY line, take 30 degree below the XY line. Okay, take 30 degree, 30 is here, draw the line. This angle is the true angle, this angle is the true angle. Okay, we know that apparent angles are measuring with respect to apparent length, true angles are measuring with respect to true length. Since it is a true angle, we have to draw on this line true length of the diagonal. Okay, here there are two diagonals are there. I will write it AD1, just I am changing the name, AD1 and AD. These two, in these two diagonals, which is the true length? AD1 is the true length, AD is the apparent length. I want to mark it AD1 on this line. Okay, A is and D1, I mark it D1 on that line, A D1. Okay, mark it here A D1. I will extend this line, I will extend this line. This point is the D1. Okay, true length of the diagonal is inclined to true inclination. Okay, now okay, see, it's very simple is there. With the help of true length of the diagonal, we can draw apparent length of the diagonal, apparent length of the diagonal by locus method. Okay, okay, in locus method, first we have to draw the locus line, horizontal locus line passing through D1, passing through D1 here. Okay, passing through D1. Okay, now measure the apparent length of the diagonal. How much is there? A to D, A to D. Now you, A is the center, you cut this locus line, that point is the D. Okay, this line is name is locus of D, locus of D. Okay, now connect A and G, join A and D. Next you extend up to XY line. This angle is the beta, we have to find out. Okay, now see, now with the help of this AD diagonal, we can rotate with respect to VP. Okay, this AD is coincident with this AD. Redraw this top view without changing any dimension, but AD coincide with this AD. With the help of this diagonal, we can redraw this top view. Okay, see, how do you redraw? See, just box method. I told you, enclose this diagonal with box. Okay, with box. Okay, just like a rectangle. This is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is look, this box look like as a rectangle. Okay, draw this rectangle. Okay, now here A and D, this 1 2 line is perpendicular to AD and 4 3 4 line is perpendicular to AD at D. Okay, na, see, 1 2 line is perpendicular to AD at A, 3 4 line is perpendicular to AD at D. Okay, draw 90 degree line with respect to this. okay, okay. See, now after this you mark the point 1, okay, 1 equal to 2, usually 1 equal to 2, okay, 1, and from here 2, then 3 same length, and here also I think it may be same, yes, same, this, okay, this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, join all the points with thin line. Actually we are construct the hexagon, but with the help of this rectangle I want to construct the, okay. Now A and D, the remaining points I want to mark it. See how to mark it. B and C on this 2 3 line, okay, measure 2 to see how much is there, this 2 3 line, okay. Next okay, next similarly this E and F on 1 4 line, okay. Next I will write A B C D E F. I will join these, just I will join, okay. See like this. Okay. Next I want to draw the front view. Simple, same procedure whatever you using here. Project all the points of this top view upward direction, and project all the points of this previous front view horizontally. These two are intersecting. Mark the intersection by joining them. We will obtain the front view. Okay. A vertical line, A horizontal line. This is A dash. B vertical line. Okay. First I will draw all the horizontal line from the previous front view. A, F and on this horizontal line, sorry, B and F on this, that was the B vertical line, this is B dash, and F vertical line, this is F dash, and on this horizontal line C and E are there. C vertical line, C dash, this point is C dash, and E dash, okay. Now D horizontal line and D vertical line, D dash. Now I will join A to B, B to C, C to D, okay. This is the required front view. Thank you.